In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Figma file to another Figma account. We'll do this by sharing the file to the other account with the right permission so it can be copied. I'll walk you through each click and explain what's happening so it's clear and easy to follow. Start by opening the Figma file you want to copy, then look to the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. It's the main control for giving other accounts access to your file. Click Share to open the sharing panel. If you don't see the option to invite people, you may not have permission to share this file. In that case, you'll need the file owner or team admin to grant you access first. In the Share panel, you'll see a field where you can enter an email address. Type the email associated with your other Figma account. This must be the exact email that the second account uses to sign in, so take a moment to double-check spelling. If Figma recognizes the email, it may show a small profile hint next to it, which is a good sign you've got the right one. Next to the email you just entered, you'll notice a permission dropdown that usually defaults to Can View. Click on Can View to open the permission options. This dropdown controls what the invited account is allowed to do with the file. From that menu, choose Can Edit. This is important. While Can View allows someone to look at the file, it often won't allow them to duplicate or move it in a way that creates a proper copy within their own space. Can Edit grants the other account sufficient access to work with the file and make a copy on its timeline. If your organization has stricter settings, this is typically the level that enables copying functionality to appear for the invited account. Once the email is in place and the permission is set to Can Edit, click Invite. Figma will send an invitation to that email and immediately grant access to the file. You'll see the newly invited account listed in the Share panel. If you made a typo or changed your mind, you can come back to this same panel at any time to adjust or remove access. That's it. By using Share, entering the other account's email, switching the permission from Can View to Can Edit, and clicking Invite, you've set up your other Figma account to access the file and work with it as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you transfer your Figma work smoothly between accounts.